What's up, y'all? I'd be lying if I said today was today was a good day. Today's my lucky day. I'd be lying to you if I said all that. So, last night, I meet a chick. We just started talking. We hit it off. I smashed. All day. Great. Awesome. We were talking for a minute. I'm in her crib. Well, I'm at her crib, in front of her crib. And my AC, well, after I dropped it off and I turned back my car to go back to the crib, my AC and my dash didn't work, bro. Like, and you already know. That's just the summer, so right now it's very hot. So, bro, tell me how. I'm thinking it's the fuses, whatever. I go to Advanced Auto Part. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. I don't know why you would hire women who don't know what the fuck they're doing at an Advanced Auto Part or AutoZone. I think women don't belong there. Not to be sexist, but that's just how I feel. Because I go, hey, yo, you know where the fuses are at? Or you know what type of fuses? It's like, bitch, if I don't know, what the fuck? Whatever. At least car lovers, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you're gonna get hired, at least be, able to fucking know about cars. But fine, I digress. It's over. Ended up getting one of them hoes' numbers, whatever the case may be. And then after that, I dipped. I went to one mechanic shop just to see if they could just check out my shit right quick for the fuses. Nothing. They didn't want to do it. No, we only have one mechanic. It was like, bro, are you guys serious right now? And whatever. I asked my homie to buy me a bag of weed. When that nigga goes and buys me a fucking bag of weed, guess what? I lost that shit. So nigga, I was stressing, and I know it's not in my car because I vacuumed my car today. And so then I know it's not in my car. Not only that, I bought some slack ass weed that don't even make a blunt. Bro, I'm so aggravated and irritated. So my compressor works, but my fan, I guess I've been running that fan too long, you know what I'm saying? Running that shit all day. I think I blew my shit, but I have electrical problems. And so buddy's telling me that I gotta pay like $700 for my electrical problems. I'm looking at that nigga like, bitch. Not only that, my transmission's about to get out of there. Now I'm having problems with my transmission, which that's a bitch. And then my suspensions were gone, but I know that my suspensions were gone, but I know what I gotta do to fix it. I can fix that myself, so I wasn't tripping about that. But the rest of that shit, so what I'm looking at for my car to be okay is around $2,000, which, let's be honest, folks, that is too much money right now. And you know what's the crazy part? I wasn't supposed to spend the money that I spent because I took out my jewelry at the pawn shop. And when I took my jewelry at the pawn shop, like, what's up? Yeah. Well, at least you got a fix, right? You can hear me? Dale. Yeah. You good. I understand it. Just come come through. I just rolled up right now. I think you should, yeah, come and hit the joint with me and then take off. Cause bitch, we still got missions to bust. No, I know that, and I was being annoying as fuck, bothering your ass. Sorry, bro. Yeah, bro, tell me about it. When this nigga told me all the things that I had to fix in this car, bruh, destroyed me in one day for real, dog. Big dog, let me call you back 2 seconds. Dale. To make my shit short, bro, I had to bust a mission and I got wiped out today. All the money that I had, that shit's gone. The only thing that I'm saving is money that I can make moves. I got a job opportunity, but it's all the way in Charlotte. I don't really know if I want to make that move to go to Charlotte to do some electrical work. It's 250 houses though, but I'm not sure, bro.